sitting on the white sand. Guess if I'm in love with you, cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh.
Hi Bunny, JC here. I just wanted to wish you the best of luck with your new transfer to your new team. I'm sure they will love you and you'll do amazing things in your new role. Swerte nila, mahilig man libre ang new team member nila. Anyway, good luck, bye-bye!
Hi Ma'am Bunny, regards po sa inyo and God bless po sa future endeavors nyo sa susunod nyong team and looking forward po sa magiging food trip natin next time. I hope magkita-kita pa tayo ulit and magkasama-sama for another bonding. Yun po, dito lang po ako kapag medyo na kaaway or tagapalo ng ipis. Yan, see you around and I see you and huwag niyo po kapabayaan ng health nyo lagi. Mag-break po kayo sa work and magpahinga din po. Regards also to Caleb and yun po, best wishes Ma'am Bunny. Bye-bye!
And every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby.
Hello po, Miss Bunny. Kamusta po kayo? Good luck po sa bago niyong team and dalhin niyo po yung energy tsaka yung kulit niyo dun.
Bunny, 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 you're so funny.
Bunny, Felicia here. I'm taking this opportunity to send my sincerest apology with what happened between us, and I wish you luck sa Santa Man pupunta. And araw-araw na kita napapanaginipan at namimiss ko rin naman yung mga pinagsamahan natin. Lalong hindi ka makalimutan ka birthday mo, tatay ko. Good luck, I wish you.
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger. This is disgust. And that's fear.
Hello po! Hi, Mother Bear! Say hi, baby. Ano ba sabihin ko? I just want to thank you for everything na na-help mo sa akin, kay Haya, sa buong team. We'll see you for sure in the coming days, months, or kung kailan man po. Basta we'll surely see you. You take care always. We love you. Love you. Sabi, love you, bye-bye.
Well, we'll just pick the locks. Hey, let's get down. Let's get up. We can move this. You know we'll never stop.
Hi Bunny, congratulations sa bago mong role. Alam ko na kahit mature role ito or bida kontra bida, sexy role, alam ko na magagampanan mo ito na maayos. Basta hiningi sa script at hiningi ng director, alam ko magagampanan mo ito na maayos. But anyway, so also, congratulations. Good luck sa bago mong role. Bye!
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.